Today I will be performing a factory reset of a Windows 10 computer. If you're having problems with your Windows 10 computer and you want to perform a clean install of Windows 10, maybe get rid of some unnecessary programs, or perhaps you just upgraded from Windows 7 or Windows 8 and you're looking to just start off fresh with Windows 10, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we're going to head over to our search bar here and type in settings. We're going to click on settings, which is being called a trusted Windows Store app in Windows 10, a little bit different. So we go under settings here. We want to head under update and security. Go under recovery. And then we're going to select under reset this PC. It tells us if your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. We're going to select get started. Okay, so this is the moment of truth here. We either keep some files, but it will remove apps and settings, or you can remove everything, which will remove personal files, apps, and settings. For the purpose of this review, we are going to remove everything. If you select keep my files, it's more of a refresh of your computer, but as the title of this video suggests, we are going to restore initial factory settings. So we're going to select remove everything, and then it says getting things ready. So this may take a moment here. Do you want to clean the drives too? Now this is more for security savvy users. If you wanted to select remove files and clean the drive, this is more or less trying to wipe used space on your computer hard drive to make it harder to recover certain files you may delete. So it might write over your files that are on the computer right now with code that'll make them unrecoverable or supposedly harder to recover. So if you're really paranoid about that, select remove files and clean the drive. But for most people, you can just select just remove my files. And we can see that it'll remove personal files and user accounts on this local PC, any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. So we're going to select the big reset button right down here. Alright, so this may take a couple minutes. So right now it is preparing to reinstall Windows. So this may take a few minutes. And once we get to the next step in the process, I will be back. Hello everyone, so now we've moved on to the next step. Now we begin inserting personalized information regarding our location, our user accounts, and that's at the point in the video that we are at right now. So I think from this point on, this is where you would go through the custom settings if you wanted to personalize some installation options and that sort of thing. But I think we're good at this point. Like I said before, we are performing a factory reset. We're reinstalling everything. So pretty much same thing goes with all the settings. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. Take from it as you wish, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.